Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to cook or how to boil sweet potato in rice cooker. So before I start, I'm going to be using one sweet potato. This is the size of my sweet potato right here. Yeah, sweet potato. And this is the rice cooker right here. I'm going to take the pot from the rice cooker and put it on. And this is the brand I'm going to be using. This rice cooker is what I'm going to be using. So I will first start by peeling this potato right here. This is the potato which I'm going to be peeling off. When I boil my potato in rice cooker, I like to get the peeling off, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to peel it before I wash it. After peeling these potatoes, this is how it look like. So I'm going to be cutting the potato. Like I said, the shape or size of the potato does not matter, okay? You can cut it whatever shape or whatever size you want to cut it. It's okay. So like me, this is how I'm going to be cutting my potato. Just like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to cut this into two. Yeah. So when you're using sharp knife, you got to be very careful, okay? Yeah. Just like that. Yeah, I love to eat sweet potato just like this. The raw one. It's okay. Yeah. So after cutting the potato, this is how it look like. So because this bowl is small, I'm just going to be putting it in this big bowl to wash it. Okay, yeah? Then I'm going to be putting it right here to wash it. Yeah. So after washing the potatoes, this is how it look like. So now I'm just going to be putting water. I just got water from my sink. 1 cup of water. For sweet potato, it's not really hard to do. So this water is going to be okay. Yeah. Then I'm going to be covering this right here. And put the pot in the rice cooker. Just like that. Yeah. Then I'm going to plug this rice cooker right in the wall. And then come down here to the rice cooker and press cook right here. So when you see the red light on, means it's cooking. So how you gonna know that it's ready? When this red light stop and then you see the yellow light, which means it's ready. So stay tuned. So it been like 2 minutes. Let's check in the rice cooker and see what's going on. So the potatoes is boiling. Yeah, it just been 2 minutes. So we're just gonna let it cook for some time and we're gonna see the result. Okay guys, stay tuned. Trust me, you're gonna see the best result ever. So guys, the potato is boiling. I just like to see this potato boiling. Aww.
Yeah.
Look at it. I can't wait to see it, y'all.
Yeah, we can wait.
Oh my gosh, I like to see this potato boiling. Aww, look at it, guys. Yeah, I like to see this potatoes boiling. Sweet potato. So, the potatoes is ready. And I just unplugged the rice cooker. So what I'm going to be doing is taking this. It doesn't have a lot of water on it. So if you want to sift this, it's okay. If not, fine. Whatever you want to do is a choice. So, but I think I'm going to be sifting this. Yeah, I'll just be doing this in the sink. I put in the sifter though. So friends, this is how I cook my sweet potato in rice cooker, and I just let it cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, very simple and easy. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this sweet potatoes. Yeah, this is the best potato, the best way to cook a potato. I love this sweet potato. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Yeah, so guys, come back to watch more of this video. As I told you guys, I'm an upcoming content creator. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but not limited. So guys, if you just joined me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the notification button to come back to watch more of this video. Love you so much. Yeah, I love this potato. So with this sweet potatoes, like it's already have its own taste, but you want to eat it with something, you can put like vegetable oil, butter, or whatever you want to put on it is okay. But as for me, I'm just gonna eat it just like this. Okay, y'all? Okay, I think I'm gonna, yeah, let me see. So as for me, I'm just gonna be eating my sweet potato like this. If you want to eat it sweet potatoes with butter, oil, sauce, whatever you want to eat it with, it's okay. But I'm just gonna be eating it like this because I just like the taste. Okay, y'all? Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, this potato is really, really nice.